because like I put the toothpaste on and I hand it to them, and then they're like, more? They're like, no.
Well,
next try. Thank you.
Hi, Isabel squeezed the toothpaste into her mouth once.
Oh my gosh.
No.
That's not what it's for.
That's not what we're going to do.
You all done? Okay, thank you.
Well, your hair's not going to stay today.
Hey, brush your teeth, not your nose. Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your pretty teeth all clean.
Yay! Are you all done? Thank you, Penelope. She doesn't want your celebrity toothbrush. Thank you. All done, Min? Thank you. Sorry.
No, you.